Jewel Date Company of Thermal, California grows, processes, packages, and ships approximately 4,000 tons of dates and date products a year. In addition to selling whole and diced dates, the company grinds dates that it sells as ingredients to food manufacturers and directly to consumers through its online store. The company switched from a hammer mill to a Munson SCC screen classifying cutter to accurately reduce dates into granules and powders within narrow size ranges. Harvested dates are air-dried, causing them to harden. When dried and cooled, the dates are loaded into a hopper and forklifted to a conveyor, which feeds the dates into the throat of the screen classifying cutter. Unlike a hammer mill, in which a series of hammers strike and break the material until it passes through a bed screen, the screen classifying cutter employs solid stainless steel cutter blocks that are welded in a staggered array and have a machined cutting edge that can be resharpened. The cutter processes about 1 ton of dates per hour, 8 times faster than the hammer mill. A variable speed motor allows the plant to run the cutter at 1500 RPM to produce particles down to 1/16 of an inch or 1.6 millimeter, or at 1200 RPM for particles down to 3/16 of an inch or 4.8 millimeter, according to customer requirements. The cutter imparts little or no heat to the material, which is critical because frictional heat or heated equipment surfaces cause date powders and granules to melt and clump. The reduced material discharged from the cutter is screened and discharged onto a conveyor for manual inspection and metal detection before being packaged and weighed for shipping. According to the company, the screen classifying cutter has not required parts or maintenance in its first 4 years of operation and has fewer moving parts than the hammer mill. Learn more about Munson screen classifying cutters, Munson hammer mills, and the full range of Munson size reduction machinery at munsonmachinery.com.